Stop. Before you even think about clicking buy on that iPad sitting in your cart, or before you trade in your old model for a measly couple of $100s, you need to hear this. Something is happening inside Apple's secret development labs in Cupertino that is about to change the math for every tablet user on the planet. For years, the base iPad was the boring sibling. The one we bought for kids, for school, or for basic Netflix binging. It was the budget choice. But as we move into 2026, the rules of the game have been set on fire. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The iPad 12th generation isn't just a minor spec bump. It is a strategic pivot. A device that, for the first time in history, might actually make the iPad Pro look like an overpriced luxury rather than a necessity. We are talking about a massive leap in silicon, a total reimagining of what entry-level means, and a feature that Apple has been gatekeeping for years that is finally coming to the masses. You've seen the leaks. You've heard the whispers. But today, we're pulling back the curtain on the full picture. From the shocking benchmarks of the A18 chip to the truth about the Pro features trickling down, this is the definitive deep dive into the iPad 12th General. By the end of this, you will know exactly why the tech world is in a state of panic, and why Apple might be about to cannibalize its own sales just to win the AI war. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: performance. For a long time, Apple kept a very clear wall between the cheap iPads and the expensive ones. If you wanted the good stuff, the speed, the AI, the future-proofing, you had to pay the Pro tax. But the 12th Gen is breaking that wall down with a sledgehammer. Reliable sources and supply chain leaks confirm that the heart of this machine will be the A18 chip. Now, if you're a casual user, that might just sound like a letter and a number. But let's put this into perspective. This is the same architecture powering the flagship iPhones. We are looking at a 6-core CPU and a 5-core GPU that doesn't just run apps, it obliterates them. We're talking about a 50% jump in speed over the previous generation. Imagine opening your heaviest apps, Final Cut, Lightroom, or high-end games, and seeing zero lag. That is the reality of the 12th Gen. But why now? Why would Apple give this much power to their cheapest tablet? The answer is 2 words: Apple Intelligence. Apple is currently in an all-out arms race with Google and Microsoft. They realized that if their base iPad can't run their new AI features, they lose the education market. They lose the casual market. So, they had no choice. They had to make the iPad 12 a powerhouse. To support this, we're seeing a jump to 8 GB of RAM. In the world of iPad, RAM is king. It's the difference between your browser tabs refreshing every time you click them and having a seamless, desktop-like experience. This shift to 8 GB is the single most important hidden upgrade in a decade. It means this iPad won't just be good today, it will be relevant in 2030. Now, let's look at the exterior. Apple is a master of, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, and the 12th Gen is expected to keep that sleek, all-screen design we've grown to love. But don't let the familiar face fool you. There are subtle, surgical changes coming to the build. We're hearing reports of a new thermal management system. Because the A18 chip is so powerful, Apple had to redesign the internal cooling to ensure that even under heavy workloads, the device stays cool to the touch. No more dim